Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best leather conditioners for car seats that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to restore, protect, or maintain your car's leather, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have Adams Polish's Leather Care Kit. This kit includes both a leather cleaner and conditioner, making it a complete package for those who want to rejuvenate their car's interior leather. The cleaner is pH neutral and designed to safely lift dirt and oils, while the conditioner hydrates your leather, preventing cracking and fading caused by regular use and UV exposure. A standout feature is its ability to treat not just leather, but also vinyl and plastic interiors, offering versatility for various surfaces. The design of this kit is user-friendly, with clear instructions that make it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. The conditioner delivers a non-toxic formula with a subtle leather scent, ensuring a pleasant and non-greasy finish. Its performance is reliable, effectively removing stains while restoring the suppleness and color of tired leather surfaces. However, it's worth noting that Adams recommends reapplication 3 to 4 times a season, which may be more frequent than some competitors. Overall, Adams Polish's Leather Care Kit is a great choice for those who want to maintain their leather surfaces regularly. Its versatility and ease of use make it ideal for car enthusiasts who want a fuss-free solution. The downside, the price isn't listed, so you'll need to check availability. But if you're looking for a trusted brand with a satisfaction guarantee, Adams Polish's is worth considering. At number 4, we have the 303 Products Leather 3-in-1 Complete Care. This product takes a multifunctional approach to leather care, combining cleaning, conditioning, and protection in one bottle. Its rinse-free formula ensures a hassle-free application while repelling dust, lint, and stains, making it a practical choice for long-term maintenance. Plus, it includes UV protection to prevent fading and cracking, keeping your leather hydrated and looking its best for up to 45 days. The design is sleek, with an ergonomic trigger sprayer that allows for precise application. It's safe for finished leather and vinyl, and the peppermint scent adds a refreshing touch to the process. Performance-wise, it's highly effective for maintaining leather surfaces, from car seats to furniture and handbags. However, it's not suitable for suede or unfinished leather. So be mindful of your specific materials. In terms of value, 303 Products Leather Complete Care is an excellent choice for busy individuals who want an all-in-one solution. Its long-lasting effects and ability to repel future contaminants make it ideal for those looking for low-maintenance leather care. The downside? Like Adams Polish's, the price isn't available, which may make it harder to compare directly. But with over 40 years of trusted expertise, 303 Products delivers quality and reliability. At number 3 is Jay Leno's Garage Leather Conditioner. This product is formulated with premium lanolin and beeswax, offering natural hydration and protection for your car's leather. Known for its deep penetration, it revitalizes dry leather to restore its suppleness and color. The UV and heat protection ensure your leather stays safe from cracking and fading, while the non-greasy finish provides a clean and crisp look. The design and build quality reflect Jay Leno's passion for cars, with a high-quality formula that works on all automotive leather finishes, including stitched panels and perforated leather. The light, clean scent is a bonus, enhancing the experience without overpowering your cabin. Performance-wise, it's effective for restoring worn-out interiors, making it a great choice for car enthusiasts who take pride in keeping their vehicles in showroom condition. While Jay Leno's Garage Leather Conditioner excels in quality and performance, it does come with limited versatility compared to 3-in-1 products like 303. The price isn't disclosed, which may be a drawback for buyers on a strict budget. But for those who value a trusted brand and natural ingredients, this conditioner is a solid pick. At number 2 is the 3D Leather Conditioner from the GLW series. This product combines ultimate conditioning with advanced UV protection, making it one of the most effective solutions for restoring and protecting leather. The formula is designed to replenish natural oils, preventing dryness, cracking, and brittleness for a supple, vibrant finish. Its versatility also shines, as it's suitable for car interiors, furniture, shoes, handbags, and more. The design is sleek and minimalistic, and the liquid formula is easy to apply without requiring special tools. Whether you're a seasoned detailer or a DIY enthusiast, this product delivers professional quality results. The UV protection is particularly noteworthy, shielding leather from harmful sun exposure and ensuring long-lasting durability. Customer reviews frequently highlight its ability to restore leather's original feel and appearance. In terms of value, the 3D leather conditioner is ideal for individuals looking for a high-performing product with multi-purpose use. However, its price isn't listed, which might be a concern for some buyers. If you're seeking a reliable leather conditioner with excellent UV protection, 3D's GLW series is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have Lexol All-Leather Conditioner. This product is a favorite among leather care enthusiasts for its exceptional performance at an unbeatable price of $13.99. Lexol's original formula features fine oil droplets that absorb quickly, restoring flexibility and preventing cracking without leaving a greasy residue. It's a multi-purpose solution that works wonders on car seats, furniture, shoes, jackets, and even horse saddles. The design is straightforward, with a compact bottle that's easy to handle. The conditioner's lightweight liquid formula ensures even application, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Performance-wise, it delivers consistent results, leaving leather soft and supple while protecting against future damage. With over 3,900 positive reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear why Lexol is a trusted name in leather care. In terms of value, Lexol stands out as the best option for budget-conscious buyers. It's affordable, versatile, and easy to use, making it ideal for maintaining and restoring a wide range of leather surfaces. The only downside is that it doesn't include UV protection, which may be a concern for outdoor leather. Nevertheless, for most users, Lexol delivers unbeatable value and top-notch quality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.